gas, what I smoke, boy.
Why, hello. I hope everyone's joining as well. Just going to sort out some filters and stuff for the voice and the music and see how we go. Just want to make sure that we are ducking a lot less when I'm talking. Just checking the stream to make sure it sounds good as well. So let's see how that goes. Check it over here. Alright, so let's see if when I'm talking it goes a lot quieter. Yep, seems to be good. So I can close that stream out. Alright, so the stream title is somewhat wrong. Let me fix that first. I'm going to go into my restream channels. This fella. And when it loads, we'll muck this up a bit. Yeah, breaks when I go across the other screen. Alright. So in category is just going to be programming, I guess. Is that a thing? Maybe coding? Oh, yeah. Twitch category for programming. Software and game development. Alright, there we go.
There she was. What's the message?
Oh, I broke my pencil.
Here you are.
Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, I just put just chatting in. Yeah, that'll do from now. Updated the stream names now. Let's see how we go. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is just talk about what I've got to do tonight. I'm going to start off with getting a personal blog happening. So I'm going to say on tags, this is going to be for my internal network. This is going to, yeah, that should be done. Alright, so this is going to be set up personal blog. And then we're going to try and make a better super base self-hosted image set. It might be involving some CI/CD stuff, so we'll see how that goes. This should be automatically assigning to me. I don't know if I set up that automation. Let me do that now. Automation. Always assign tasks to this fella. I don't care about being a watcher, do I? Yeah, alright, I'll put up a watcher. Looks good to me. Cool. Just assign this to me now. I'll do the job. Alright, let's do some subtasks on this. We need to determine some blog software to try. So let's get cracking on that, mate. So I was looking at Write Freely, found out it's not been updated in a while. I was looking at Awesome Self-Hosted. I've used Ghost before. I just wanted to try something different. I'm trying to avoid PHP stuff for now. The Rust one looks cool, but it's not under development at the moment. So it is what it is. An XML-based blog CMS platform. I don't know what to think about it. It's PHP anyway. So we might just do like open source. Open source.
There's so much we can learn in the internet.
Let's see what we get. Hexo. Now I'm pretty bad. Like I look for like pretty ones. Like not necessarily fully pretty, but just like has some sort of aesthetics towards it. Markdown, yeah, maybe. Interesting. Oh, as a side note, there was this awesome software, Jordan Peterson writing app. I forget what it's called. It's probably just called, yeah, essay app. Wait, is this it? Yeah, this might be it. Hold on, let me just check. Yes, this is what I was looking at, and I was like, this is super cool. They've got a yearly plan or lifetime access. $250 is pretty good for lifetime access. I don't have the cash for it right now, but it's something I do wish there was like an open source hosted version of this, because it's such a neat little thing. So you can see like you can create multiple different versions of like the same sentences. You can rewrite them, you can reorganize them by titles and all that, so it makes more sense. It's, I don't know, it's kind of like my dream product for writing, but yeah, nothing open source. Essay app alternative open source. I know there's like, so one I've heard of before is Scrivener. Again, not open source, but I know that a lot of authors use it for writing big stuff as well. But again, I'm looking for something online, accessible anywhere. It's kind of like my mantra is to try and have something open source and chill. Let's have a look. Let's see what we can see.
All through the years, you'll remember that a man went to the gallows because he had to wait 2 hours.
Let's have a look. I'm just going to pull that music back a bit. I think it's a bit too loud. And to do that, I'm just going to pull that output gain back just slightly. Might even pull it back for myself. That might help. Should get nice and quiet when I'm talking. Oh, okay. So that side's broken. No worries. Droplets built in PHP. So something I really want to avoid. And it's just because I worked on PHP for years and I like other things. I want to play with other things. So if I have to like fix my blogging site, I don't really want it to be in PHP. Node.js is okay. Why Hexo over Ghost? I think that's a good question to ask. Why Hexo over Ghost? I mean, yeah, I don't know. Let's take a look at outline, document, app. Because I'm wondering if we can kind of do this thing, but share it. I guess it's like a Notion kind of thing. Product. I don't know. I mean, let me check out my website, KB, because I've already got one here. So what if I select share this entire thing? Permissions. That's allowed, but then I think I have to share like individual things externally. No, can I go here? Click on this. Let's have a look. Permissions, public document sharing. I don't know, what does it look like? No, it just redirects, so that's useless to me. If you're lurking on Twitch, I'd love to know who you are, because I think every time I stream, there's always someone watching on Twitch. So say good day. I might just have to go with Ghost, to be honest. Ghost blog. What is this? That is not the open source one. Oh, okay, they have called it turn your audience into a business. Interesting. Let's go with product for developers. Installation, Docker. Installation steps. Just see how easy it is to get it happening. There's the image. Yeah. Looks good enough to me. One thing I need to do with my server, actually, let me just make a note of it, is I need to set up Docker volumes on external hard or SSD. And I'll give myself some context. Docker volumes are stored on the root drive of the server. Need them to be in the detachable storage, which also has its own backups independent of the OS. So I think that's important too. Let's tag. How did I do that? It's up here. Tag. Hello? Tag a user. Add a tag. What happens with tags? Okay, and it should be in. Oh, not feature requests. Tags. Internal network. Okay, so let me do that there. Can I do it on? I don't know what I've done here. Subtask. Oh, there it is. Haha. Knew it was somewhere. Easy and obvious. Gonna minimize that for now. And I want to pull that out. So I freaking love ClickUp. Again, wish there was a self-hosted version, but hey. Alright, Ghost. Let's start off by logging into the portainer instance. And we'll use local. And we're going to attach a new stack to it. This will be JTimeline block, that will do. Nice. Here's a stack. Perfection. And Ghost 4 Alpine. We want Ghost 5. Is that even out yet? Or is that just old documentation? Tags. Yeah, 5 is out. So let's use 5. Alpine, restart always. We don't need to export any ports. And that's because of how we set it up. I do need to look at the configuration options. We'll get to that. URI, it's going to be JTimeline dev. Okay, cool. MySQL 8. Oh man, I hate MySQL 8. Does it support Postgres? Default MySQL.
Find the defendant guilty.
SQLite 3. Oh. Interesting, so they're dropping support for it. Only long-term support strategy for Ghost version 11, focusing on news. That was ages ago though. At set point, it seemed a natural way to say we support it, since it's been one of our developing new features, second only to our permission system. It's come in the thread earlier advocating support how official would earlier prevent Postgres from being second-class citizen. The logic was sound, but in practice wasn't true. Ghost team used SQLite 3 for development. MySQL. Bugs and opportunities. I mean, yeah, I guess. Oh well. But I think we'll probably use MariaDB, right? Yeah, I think we should use MariaDB. It is the latest version of MySQL at the moment. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter because I'm not developing against it right now. Alright, I'll give in. No worries. We're gonna obviously sort that out off stream. I mean, it probably doesn't matter, but it is what it is. Alright, so what else have we got? Configuration URL, yeah, mail. I'm not doing that right now. So the protocol for hostname, admin panel, host port for Ghost to listen on to, paths, use minimum files, storage. Oh, a custom storage adapter would be useful. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do storage. Storage. Yeah, so we're going to do S3 store, I think, because if we use this thing, yeah, if we use this thing, we might be able to change it. You know what? I don't think it's allowing a specification of a custom endpoint though. Let's have a look. Get AWS path. Asset host. Yeah, so it's hard coding Amazon AWS, which is unfortunate. So we can't use that one. We might just... What's the difference between those two, right? It's two different ones. Oh, custom. Yes. Okay, so this is the one we're going to use, right? Yeah. Perfect. All right, let's use this for our storage config. So I think we can go storage _ active. Let's get rid of this. And then we can say this. Paste. Actually, we probably don't need that. We want that with a _ There we go. Perfect. All right. Just going to go through and set these up. And then any secrets will go in the environment file for now. Don't think I'm gonna worry about these three options here, so let's just get rid of them. And let's index these correctly. Can we tab them? No, okay. I could chuck it into Visual Studio Code, but just laziness. Because I'm just gonna go paste. Would be easier with Visual Studio, but it is what it is. We're going to put access secret key into an environment file. Let's just add that there for now. Yeah, let's do advanced mode. That's much nicer. Cool. MySQL root password. Yeah, let's chuck that in there, even though we are probably going to change that soon. Oh, I guess we can use root, but I don't know, whatever. Access key ID, we don't need this one. See note 1 below. What do we got there? Note 1, be sure to include blah blah blah, the appropriate protocol. Surely, okay. So I might have to add that. Parstar. I don't think it requires parstar, but we can. Okay, it should be fine. Alright, so with these in mind, I should be able to grab it from Linode. So all my servers are hosted in Linode. I really enjoy using Linode. Find it easy, simple, quick. Cheap servers in Australia, so that helps. Let's go object storage.
Supposing that creature, the one you killed.
Outline, let's create a new one. This will be just one block. Asia Pacific, that's fine. I swear they had one for Australia, but what ifs? Okay, there's our URL. We said public read. Save that. And let's go back to our configuration. Portainer. Asset host. We just check outline, see how outlines bucket does it. No files, so there is files. Cool. Okay, there it is. Outline bucket. Yeah, okay, so I'm just going to copy this for now into Portainer, paste that in there, get rid of that, replace that with JTI1 dash. Have I got insert mode on? I don't know. JTI1 blog. Yep, okay, so blog, asset host, signature version. I don't think I needed that. Don't think I needed that. And we'll grab that one back from here. It's probably the same URL, but I'll just make sure. Access. Details, there it is. Copy that fella. Over to portainer. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm happy with that so far. Region is AP South 1 bucket JTI1 blog, and I'm gonna have to change some of these settings because it won't work. I've had issues with it before for sure. So off stream, I'm going to see if I can add an environment file for now. Let's see if that provides me any more. Yeah, it does. Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to do is create that environment file on a different screen and go from there. So just pulling this over here. What is going on? Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to grab this buckets over here because I'm going to grab a new access key in secret, which we definitely don't want on stream. This will be for Ghost blog. Limit access to JTI1 blog, read write, create access key. Alright, so we put our access key ID in here, grab the secret, put it into my file, which you cannot see right now. Let me just grab this connection password as well. This one can come out. And now that we've got those into an environment file, this will be that should be okay. Such an itchy ear. I don't know what's going on with that. Get rid of this for now. Restart. When stopped. Compose. Docker. Okay, Docker, compose, restart. There we go. Reference. Restart policy is called now. Okay, oh, that's version 3.9. Yeah, we can use version 3.9. Why not? Replaces restart. Yeah, so it's a version 2 thing, right? Okay. So restart policy. Let's add that in. Version 3.1. Let's go version 3.9. Okay. Restart policy. Now let's split this up a little bit. Most file reference. Alright, cool. Restart policy. Condition. Let's have a look. On failure any. Okay, cool. So we're just doing it on failures. Delay 3 seconds. Max attempts 5. Window. Yeah, 120 seconds seems fine. Cool. I'm happy with that. Let's do the same. Let's grab that restart policy and paste that in here. I feel like we need a depends on. Yeah. I don't know why that wasn't in there. DB. Alright, so what we're going to do here, and this is kind of like the secret sauce, I guess, of what I do with my containers. So go networks, default, and SVC. And this one just goes on the default network, so networks. And you don't really have to specify that, but I do anyway. Here I go, SVC, name web services bridge, I think it was, and then it's external true, which means that this compose file doesn't need to create it, and then default. That does the job for that. We'll need to define some volumes for this as well. Volumes, probably just for the DB image actually. Volumes, JTI1 ghost DB. That will do. And MySQL Docker image. I do like add minor, but I've got it elsewhere, so I don't need that for now. Environment variables, also not needed. There we go. So what we'll do here is we'll say volumes, and we'll say this will be ATI1 ghost DB. I don't know if I need to do anything else. I think I do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the compose reference for volumes as a reference. There it is. Yep, that's exactly what I was going for. So that's great. All right. So this is going to be like a first attempt. Nothing too fancy, just to get things started up, and then we will go from there. Let's upload our environment files. Downloads. I put it in here. All files. .env open. Alright, let's give this a go. Let's see what happens when we deploy it. It's probably going to fail. Yep. Restart policy is not allowed. Fail to deploy a stack additional property. Restart policy not allowed. Additional property, additional property. It's going to be like it's in the wrong spot or something. So let's give that a little click. And I'm just going to make sure I'm checking chat too. Alright. Restart policies there. And there. Why is that bad? Put it in the wrong spot. Probably, it looks like it. It needs to be under deploy. Alright, so portainer. Restart policy, deploy. And then I can't tab these, so we just do it manually. Same thing again, deploy. Tab, and we're just going to copy that. Cool, I think that should work now, unless there's another error. Don't know if we loaded the variables, but we'll try again. Something's happening. So while I'm waiting, I'm just going to have a look. Move webcam when mouse pointer behind. All right. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I should add a little button for that. That'd be pretty neat. Like a zoom in. Alright, so it looks like it's there. It pulled the images. They're up and running. MySQL is start. Yep, there we go. Sick. Then while I'm here, I'm just going to check. I don't need invoicing up. Don't need the website up right now. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So now we've done that. Just want to make sure that I've done it right. So let's take a look at the Ghost blog and make sure that. Oh, yeah, look at that. So we don't have any of those extra variables I didn't want shown here, which is good. Web services bridge is there. Perfect. All right, so what that means is, because this is exposing a particular port, if I remember correctly, what port was it? Let's have a look. Ghost was running on 2368 by the looks of it. So all I have to do then is go into my proxy. And in here, I'm going to add a new one. Now, I'm not hosting JTai1 on here at all. So I want to do blog jtai1.dev. HTTP forward host name was jtai1. Blog ghost. Is it? Hold on, let me look. Portainer. JTai1 blog ghost. Yeah, JTai1 blog ghost. JTai1 blog ghost. Perfect. There's my port. It's cache some assets. WebSocket support. We'll chuck some. I don't think we'll need SSL. Because I've got Cloudflare in front of it at the moment. So if I was to like go to my DNS, go and add a record, we'll use a star, I guess, and we'll set that to. It will be. I guess I could just quickly look it up. Terminal. Lanes. No. I forget. Oh, just maybe no. Proxy. Okay, there we go. Cool. All right, let's grab this one. Paste to Rooney. And then if we do another one for IPv6, that should be pretty good. Sweet. All right, now that I've done that, I don't think I need any of this certificate stuff. No, I don't think I do. That should just work, theoretically. Let's give it a go. It's going to be blog jtai1 dev. Okay, so host error. I might just turn off the proxy temporarily. And the reason for that is that I can actually see what's going on behind the scenes. Save. Save. No, I want that one proxied. I want that one proxied too. What's wrong with me? I want this one turned off the proxy. And this one turned off the proxy just temporarily. Refresh. Yeah, no, I don't want to use that. I'm gonna have to, surely not. .j1dev. Error code 502. 502 gateway not found. That's the back end. Let's just take a quick look at the logs. Database config. Yeah, okay, cool. DB is not found. Yeah, alright, so I know what that is. Let's go to our stacks. Edit our JTOM blog stack. Depends on DB. Host is DB. I've done the network stuff wrong. Because... Alright, so there it is. Networks blah, and then the alias is on it. Yeah, I reckon that's what it is. That's what it is. Let's confirm that while we're here. Let's go to Ghostblog and take a look at... Can we inspect the container without like leaking crap? Probably not. We'll try anyway. Network settings. Oh look, config. This config with our environment stuff, so I don't accidentally click that. I think we'll be okay. So networks on blog default. It has those aliases. A ghost is one. That's cool. That's good. Let's go back to containers. Search for ghost. No, DB. There it is. Inspect. Network settings. Networks. It's only connected to default, which is perfect. Aliases. DB. So we should expect that when we take a look at JTai1 blog, have a look at the the container crashed. Did that actually, is that what happened? Oh yeah, I bet it was the search was on it. Yeah. They both stopped? What happened to blog? Oh, right. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I remember. I said before that I'm not sure if that extra file was uploaded. So let's go JTime blog editor, and we want to load environment variables from our environment file. All files. It's okay. Update the stack. Okay, that should have worked. Let's take a look at the blog logs. Yeah, so like something, MySQL root password was specified. Let's go to oh, hopefully I won't leak anything, but I'm gonna have a look at the blog DB and inspect it. Sign config environment. I'm just gonna pull this over here for a second because I would rather not expose that. Environment. Okay, it looks like the files aren't there. I'm just gonna go back to stacks. What I'm gonna do is just like hit this upload again and then see if there's like an error coming back from the server, which I don't get to see. All status. Payload image name. So yeah, I'm not really sure what it's doing. Let me just look at the docs, I guess, for it. Let's have a look. Clearly I've looked at this before. Okay, load variables. And when you do that, we auto-populate portainer with these variables. Okay. Okay. It's a legit my bad. Hold on. So we call the file stack environment. It contains all the variables read from the external environment file. It auto creates the variables without you manually enter them, but put in one in the stack definition. Okay, so this is what should be happening. Okay, so this is what I should be seeing. Interesting. Okay, so what it looks like is, because my file name is, let's go have a look. What? It doesn't seem to be updating. That's the thing, man. I feel like this is just missing some documentation on it. Yeah, like... Yeah, so this is what should be happening. Yeah, I don't know. If you got some thoughts, let me know. Connection's not private. Nice. Not nice. I put HTSDS on it. Oh, that's annoying. Alright, so I have to proxy it now. Yeah, bastard. That's fine. Let's proxy that then. Get rid of that. Alright, the thought I have here is, let's just try something. Let's just go with environment, and we'll add a env file, and we'll call that whatever this environment variables thing was. What's the name of it? Downloads. So it's I named it jtaiwan-ghost.env. We're just going to copy that, paste it in for here, and we're going to update the stack. Actually, before I do this, make sure I've got the file in the list. Open, uploads it. Okay, update the stack, update. No such file or directory. Yeah, so what the frick's happening? Maybe we need to upgrade portainer? Yeah, whatever. Settings. Environments. Local. Update environment. No, that's not it. Wait, maybe portainer tells me when it needs an update. Do you tell me? Hmm. Have to clean these out too. Oh, very tired. Alright, so my thought is, what's wrong with you, Portainer? Or like, what documentation am I missing about this? Get rid of that one, I didn't need that. Might need that still. Proxy manager, what's this, write freely? Nope. I don't need that for now, okay, let's have a look again. Hey, what's this say? Hmm.
Want 1/3 of everything you get.
It filled in all the environment stuff in the portainer fields, and then after... Okay, so this is what's not happening for me right now. And that's what's interesting. Yeah, I just feel like this is either like my environment in portainer, upload env file in stacks with portainer. Let's read this again. Compose a stack, lots of environment variables. You want to load these with environment file, make these available to a stack. How do you do that? Load variables from environment, and if you click that button, select environment, we will auto-populate portainer with these variables. Click that. Okay, this is what we're supposed to see. How do you use them in the stack? Well, this is where the documentation is wrote. We don't actually know how to use it, so this is where you do it like this, and it works. What about just running as a file, as an environment file even? Well, you just need to reference the env file we create in the service definition. We call the file stack env, and it contains all the okay. 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 So this may not be happening in a newer version, but the stack env thing probably still is. All right, let's just figure this out. Let's go to our stacks editor. Env file, this needs to be stack env. Okay, let's do the same here. All right, upload this variables file again, hopefully for the last time. This thing happens, no issues. Update the stack. See, yeah, that's funky, man, funky chicken. What if I like wonder if it's just like some extra characters in here I can't have. What are bash characters that bash special not variables, characters. Yeah, I'm just gonna like simplify this a little bit. In the hopes that the issue is just gonna be like, yeah, and what I'm also gonna do is gonna pull this over here for a second because I don't want variable that I have uploaded to be populated and then seen. No, that doesn't seem to be working at all. Okay, I mean, I can give that a go, but it seems stupid. I mean, like, this is complicating it a fair bit. But what I make... what I'm trying to achieve overall, like the overall goal of what I'm trying to do here, is I'm trying to replace Plesk and have like some nice interfaces to quickly deploy stuff. Like, this is beautiful. Like, oh gosh, this is beautiful. Like, it just makes stuff work, and that is amazing. But it shouldn't be that hard. Like, it shouldn't be this hard. Like, I'm just loading from an environment thing, and this is just... No, unless I need to name it stack env. I don't know. Let me try. Oh, it's got a .txt extension. Like... Great. No extension. Thank you. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, yeah. And now I've just... oh, well, now you can see it. Whatever. Let's update the stack. See how we go. Right, so like immediately at this point, I have to go and update this where you can't see it, because I don't want those variables leaked. So just hold on for 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. And let me sort this. I'm going to have to recreate my stack too, I think. So just bear with me. Just gonna go ahead and get rid of my access key for that. Revoke. And then I'm going to create it again with different details. So this will be JTaiwan Ghost limited access read and write to JTaiwan blog only. All right. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm just going to recreate this entire stack. So I'm going to have to probably do a similar thing where I just like don't show you some of the final steps when I'm putting passwords and stuff in, because otherwise we can have some serious problems. Alright, we've successfully deployed the stack. I'm just going to check and make sure in the logs that the changed password works and that Ghost can access it. And you can't see that happening just because I can't show you, just in case I leak the thing. Yeah, it looks like the blog is now broken. Access denied. Yep. Alright, so with that in mind, yeah, delete the stack and then try again. Removing the stack. Adding the stack. And I'm just literally copying and pasting what I did before, which makes things very easy. I think it was deploy the stack. All right, so I think we're good now. That should be getting created. I have a feeling that it may still break because the logs will be access denied again. So, okay, I gotta recreate it. And I'll share my screen with you in a minute. Just make sure you can't see it. Yeah, no. So I'm gonna recreate this screen quickly. Stacks. Remove the stack. And then I need to delete the volume as well. That way we don't get any problems. So we'll copy that. Stack, add stack, jtie1 block. Paste. Load environment variables. Okay. I think that should be good. Stack is deployed. Checking the logs of the ghost thing. Econ refused. Everything's being created. So yeah, let me share the screen back now. So it looks like this is working. Okay, so we can't find the storage adapter. That's possibly something we can handle. Let's have a look at the available custom storage adapters. I'm hoping I get the environment file to download itself. So what I'm going to look for is a Ghost Docker Hub. Just take a quick look at the container, right? Configuration, Node.js version, production mode, image variants, no particular image variants. All right, so let's find, this may be where it is, but I doubt it. I'm just going to take a quick look. Okay, version 5, Alpine, Dockerfile, Node, Ghost install. What else are we doing in here? All right, so to me, this means that we might need to install this. Installation. Yeah, like, why would I bloody want to do this? Like, this just seems... like, why? Ghost add S3 to container. And the only reason I'm looking up this is not because, like, I don't think I can do it. Like, so I could create a custom Docker image, but I'm hoping someone else has, got it themselves in an image, right? Or there's some neat way to add it in. Like, this is terrible. Like, people have created their own stuff. Really?
I wish I could do something to help you too.
Really? Okay, so like, Like, updated a year ago, so like that's just not helpful. It's not being run on a CI/CD pipeline either. So, what can one do? Yeah. Like, this is what they're suggesting, really? Ghost Bitnami. Instead of using volume, any way to pass this through vars and var use. Yes, they've got a custom image. Shouldn't need a custom image for this stuff. Like, it really shouldn't need a custom image to install plugins into a Docker container. Really shouldn't. Like, this is a developer experience thing. Yeah. So if I'm building a container, like, okay, so really great example, Docker PHP by Google. I know no one's watching this like on the stream, but I want to show you how good like you can build stuff. So this is the Docker image for PHP from Google that hasn't been updated in years. I've worked on it too. It had this on build Docker thing, and how it worked. It was really simple. Plainly simple. Where is it? Whitelist functions, or there's this entire extensions thing that you could enable. Enabling extensions was as simple as having it in your was it composer JSON? You just say, hey, I want to require this extension, and it would go and find it and add it. So in this particular example, what would I do if I was Ghost? Right? I would, in my Docker file, look for configuration steps like install S3 or whatever, and I would go and perform the steps to install. Oh, excuse me. I hope I don't make a fool by myself here. And there's actually some way of doing this, but I just can't see. You know, I mean, unless the Docker entry point's what has it. Let's give it a go though. Allow the container to be started with user. Nothing, man. I mean, possibly the stack brew library one. I don't know. I just issues. Let's have a look. Close. Let's have a look for extension. What do they call these? This was a adapter. Yeah, there we go. That's the right word to use. Adapter. Oh, we cannot find. Yeah, here we go. Let's see what someone says about this. Yeah, I mean, that's poor form too. Like, I understand his frustration, but poor form. Rip. Then the endpoint will see the empty volume on start. Yeah, this is the kind of thing that like really puts me off. Like I'm actually not gonna deploy Ghost right now because I don't want to build a custom image. And this is something I'm gonna go into with. This is something I'm gonna go into with the super base thing more. So like, let me show you. So super base Ghost. Not Ghost. Ducker. And there's a really, like, if I want to just give super base a go, there's no way I want to clone the code. No. Do not want to do this. No. And so if I take a look at super base, Docker. Where is it? There it is, Docker. All right, so on the outset, you got a nice Docker compose file. Beautiful. Okay, we've got default images. Perfect. Love that. Environment variables. Great. Now this is where it gets funky. Config in a YAML file like this. In my opinion, what I should be able to do is I should be able to have this file bootstrapped with some environment variables inside the container. So if I provide some environment variables, maybe I can override this stuff, right? And you just give me a template and I go, fix it for me. Otherwise, I couldn't use something like portainer and quickly deploy, because if I go add stack and then like, where am I uploading files to? Does that make sense? So, I can use a Git repository. But again, can't upload any files. Can't change them. So, yeah, this is what I'm gonna fix. I think. I don't know if I'll get bored, but this is what I'm gonna fix. All right, so let's kill this. Kill this. Gonna revoke this for now. Let's find some form of markdown blog. I don't want to use Next.js. Blurred Jamstack. Okay. Possible. Okay, let's give this a go. Plurred. What are you, Plurred? Go away. Fast pages. Oh wow, there we go. What's happened to you? You're gone? Double Quarto instead. Alright, what's Quarto? Open source scientific and technical publishing system built on Pandoc. Holy moly, this thing must be massive. That's cool. Get started. CLI, no thank you. No Docker container advertised, and so no, just not going with it. Okay, minimal blogging platform, publishes blog with. Okay, let's have a look at his blog. Yeah. I don't want to build this stuff that the people should have built by now. Surely someone's built something. And while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna like, I want to find the proper category of I don't want this stuff to come through. Go away. Why you want to sell me this crap? Categories we think you'll like. No, thank you. Software and game development. See, that is a category, and it didn't even work. Oh yeah, what's this guy doing? Let's have a quick squeeze. You won't be able to hear him. You can go check out his site as well. I'm just gonna update my titles. Docs. Restream channels. I don't want to get copyright strikes, so I'll just make sure I quit that. This one, edit settings. There we go. Nice. Probably gonna update this title as well. Right, let's just chuck that in there. Let's change this one as well. Come on, edit settings. Date, come on. Oh, that can go away now. While that's happening, let's go portainer. No. S3 markdown blog. What are they saying with this Jekyll stuff? I mean, no. It's like I appreciate this stuff, and that's pretty neat, but maybe I have to do it. Serverless blog theme. No, that's not gonna help me. See, I can pull Delta up on. Alright, so while I wait, blog theme. Will we do it with Jekyll? I mean, so what I'm thinking in my head right now, keep you up to date, is okay. So deploying some sort of Docker instance probably isn't going to work. Ways around it is some sort of web service worker with Cloudflare, possibly just a CDN to a static website that's generated in a Git instance. I wish there was something that I could just dock a container, deploy it, but I don't think I'm going to have that luck tonight. Yeah. What I might do is take a 2-minute break, grab a drink of water, and then keep smashing this out. So I will see you in just a moment.
You shouldn't be walking around like this. These people will kill you.
Very good.
The heat ray they emit from their mouths. It's more powerful than anything yet known to man.
Say, don't you think it's strange?
Man, that's annoying when you transition to the wrong one. Alright, so what's going through my head at the moment is I'm thinking of Write Freely and installing that. I just need to take a look at the Docker container again and see what's inside it. And go from there. So they're recommending this kind of thing. Uses MySQL, that's fine. Yeah. So this stuff is cool. There's a Docker thing available for it. I'm gonna have to go to the source code, I think, to start taking a look at the Docker container. Nope. Is there a Docker? Something. There we go. Docker Compose. Nice. Okay, problems. This is fine. We can replace that. That's cool. They separate the networks out. I appreciate that very much. Config ini. Let's take a look and see if when we configure it, resources about, where's the install? Golang less JavaScript. Huh. Okay, actually, how long has it been since this has been modified? This is May 31st? It's probably okay. Actually, I should try the writing experience. Oh, that looks good. I like this a lot. Okay, cool. That sounded kind of convincing. Go take a look at this documentation again. Let's look at the admin guide. Config. However, you can supply a different file or location. It's okay, but like, what about providing it via environment variables, guys? Surely. I think I'm just gonna have to do it outside of portainer. But this is kind of like the nicest thing I've seen so far. I might just quickly check out the Docker. Yeah, I'm gonna check out the Docker setup file. See what it does. Docker setup. Oh, okay. Interesting. It goes ahead and creates something from a temp schema. Fair enough. Docker file. Goes ahead and builds it. Sick. This config thing. CCC, no config. Does Portainer allow me to touch the inside of Portal? I want Doxy, no, I want Docker. Does it allow me to touch the inside of a volume? Negatory. That would have been cool if they had something like that in there. The Docker guide is useless, man. Yeesh. Tough. I know there's like a lot of arm and ahhing to avoid doing the work. But like I'm kind of not doing this just for me. Like when I recommend something to someone, I want it to be as simple as possible for them to get up and running with it. If I've got a mate that like comes to something like this and goes, oh, I've got to like configure some file and then like make sure I've got a database that's working with it and then tie this together here and do this thing there and hopefully it works. I really like, yeah, it's just, that's too much. Side note, just going to quickly take a look at alpha version is load, currently is fun.
I tried to remember, but when everything was coming back to me, I think it's my memory was paralyzed.
Now let's see. What is the last thing you can remember?
I don't know.
Okay. Like, does it have sane documentation? Yeah, that's the writer guide, right? No. Admin guide? Config. Yeah, so default localhost to bind, autocert false, that's fine. Database, none, localhost. App. So like confuse, yeah, sissy, like you'd need, actually, do you know what? They probably don't tell you, but usually with a lot of this sort of stuff, especially in Go, they'll have a config ini, but they'll sneaky allow environment variables as well. Have they been sneaky? Am I lucky enough that they have used environment variables somewhere? Just gonna try and load the file. I don't think it's, maybe this could be, no, I don't think that's helpful. There's nothing. This is going to be probably useless. Friendly host can create blocks will do, yep. One thinks one is out of luck. Yep, I think I'm out of luck with this one. It's going to require any file. And that just puts me in the same position as Ghost. Alright, so let's try something else. Let's go Gatsby themes and see if we can find something that way. Oh, okay. I mean, that looks... I'm gotta say, that looks kind of nice. This looks pretty cool too. Kind of a fan. Nothing else is really sitting out right now. Alright, let's check out these out. Theme legal. Oh, this I like. This I really like. Problem is, no list. Hey, this is neat, but maybe too podcasty. Blog too artsy. Not found. Plugin library, interesting. I don't want to worry about that right now. Themes, back to themes. Gatsby theme jam showcase. All right, you're going down the rabbit hole. I want to kind of hear what that sounded like. I don't usually do voices like that. It's almost like right on the ball. Well, I had to listen to what it sounded like. Nice. Oh, it's pretty sick. Docs, yeah, nah. Blog, yeah, meh. Tier list of Gatsby themes? I mean, possible. Yo, software developer blog. Yeah. I mean, like, there's no, like, hey, this has got... Yeah, that's... Again, not helpful. Alright. That's enough of that. Let's go, like, alternatives to Gatsby. Alright, that's what else is going on here. Next.js. So I looked at Hugo. Next.js. Alright, let's just have a look. Next.js blog template. Contentful. Minimal blog template. Ooh, here we go. Notion blog is... Oh, that's cool. A Notion-backed blog. Maybe... Oh, that's pretty neat. This could be how I do. Could be how I do. Oh, no. it could be how I start doing documentation at work. What github.com refused to connect. Okay, well, that's not my problem then. Minimal blog template. That's... Thank you, Vercel, but that is a no. Let's have a look. Framework, Next.js. Even Gatsby. Search blog. Wow, Vercel. I'm impressed. This is like kind of cool. I mean, possible. See what people have done with these. I'm with Timmy Thielen. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty neat. Yeah, yeah. Gee. Yep, that's... This is cool. This is even cooler. I like this. Sick, good on him. Like, is there different configurations? Is that what Timothy's done? No, I reckon other people have like really customized it. Alright, let's just keep scrolling. Possible, maybe. I can see why the Superbase team have been using Vercel a bit for their stuff. Very nice. Oh, I didn't mean to close that. What is your blog template? Give me a demo, please. Nope, go away. Yeah, okay, I like that. Super clean. Where'd I put it? Where'd I put it? That one's cool. Where did that go? Where is that sick thing going? No bellum, here we go. Oh, I already had it open? Oh yeah, okay, alright. Don't like this header. I think I can remove it though. Oh. Oh yeah. I mean. Yeah. Alright. I think. Static blog on top of Notion and Next.js. Okay. Someone did it like a Notion. I think it's Dashabase. No code for Superbase with a Notion-like UI. Oh yeah. Like, this is a very cool product, and they have open source products like yeah, Lotion. That's the one. And they built it with Vue 3. I should have taken a look at this before I replaced stuff. I really want to check this out, just as a side quest here. App view. Let's have a look at you. All right, main. Yeah. Main. Okay. Yeah. Components. Not a lot going on. Like, this is interesting because I think the correct way to do this is different. I won't go into that right now. Because it's an effect as well inside it. Yeah, no. Like, is this? Yeah, there's not much to it, right? Alright, well, it's probably the markdown one that does a lot of the work. Anyway, let's get away from that. That's a side quest that will end up in disaster. Go away. I love this theme. Like, it's super cool. Especially this for long form information. It really just, it's so good. Problem is it's, you know, this is not helpful. And I need a list on the front page, so I can't be bothered modifying it right now. This is cool. Let me just view the demo quickly. Okay. Where is he getting these from? Planet scale? So one might be able to replace planet scale here. Prism. This is heavy. This is like real. Cool, but like sanity is a CMS. Let's have a look at that. What's my pricing and why? Free forever, open source editing environment. Free 2 datasets. Right, so yeah, just no. At least you're going through the process of what I go through when I'm trying to select stuff. Alright, let's have a look at Nebelium. Fast and responsive, deploy instantly, fully functional, easy customizable. Duplicate the Notion template and share it to the public. Alright, what is it going to take for me to not use Notion on this? Like, why would I want... Where is that coming from? What does he say? Notion template, fork the project, blog config.js. Blog config.js. And it's all based around Versal as well. I don't want to use Versal. How hard is it going to be for me to code this up from scratch? Let's think about it realistically here. There was this Dino SSG WASM thing that I saw. Loom, static site generator. I want WASM. WASM. Where was I looking? That was cool. I must not have it on this computer. That is frustrating. There was a Dino SSG. Okay, like it was like React SSG. Oh, React Remix. That's right. WASM. Yes. Yes. Come on. Where is it? It was like a new thing. Experimental. Come on. Surely. Oh, no. It was WASM. Web worker. I think it was. Service. No, it would have been service worker. There we go. Remix. WASM. Come on, surely this is it. This, yes. I was looking at this like, oh, I'd love to do this. This is nice. All right. All right, let's take a look at this for now. 4 months ago. Yeah, okay, well, that's not helpful. Rust. WASM. Fibonacci sequences. ESM server pulls it all together. Each package is 100-bit TypeScript turbo repo. Man, that's on my list of like things I need to look at. Hey, look at turbo repo. Let's add a tag of personnel development. Okay, and we'll save that. Change color. Internal network is green. Personal development is blue, please. There we go. Nice. I reckon it's possible to deploy this base block template. Oh, you're kidding me. A fork at 11T base block. All right, what do you look like? 11T. Demos. Yeah, whatever. Ooh, really? No, surely that's not that horrible. Yeah, this is... Yeah, so I find this disgusting and ugly. All right. We won't use that. But there's a possibility because... There's a possibility to deploy... Okay, so super base functions. You get it like this endpoint, right? I don't think they've updated this yet to allow. Okay, let's have a look at this quickly. In XTS. Dino, get task. Your task, blah, blah, blah. Serving it, getting a super base client. Then, depending on the method, we're returning something. And this RESTful tasks thing. Yeah, so you deploy it as RESTful tasks, and then it'll end up at like some sort of URL like that. Like that is what I'm talking about. So that's not going to be helpful. Can't deploy it there. So that's fine. Oh, Dino deploy. Dino deploy is free right now, isn't it? So the GitHub Pages is free. Oh, GitLab Pages, yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I love GitLab. Alright, well, I think I've decided I'm going to use GitLab Pages and deploy to it. Am I though? Let's take it. WASM and Remix. This is just to add WASM to Remix. WASM to Remix. I think we need... Yeah, let's just have a look. Remix blog template. Oh, this could be cool. This could be cool. Oh, yes, for deploying to Cloudflare with... Okay, maybe. I'll have a look at it. Chop Suey stack. Oh, I so wish I could play that on stream right now. Well, I mean, like, no. Envato. Blog stack. Oh, yes. Blog. Blog. I mean, like, that's speed metal stack. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at that. I'm sure I've opened that already, but maybe not. Remix doc stack. Content. Index. Config. Docs. Development. No. Wait, Cloudflare what? Pages, yeah. What's the issues in here? Oh yeah, okay, that's fine. Power metal stack and speed metal stack. Alright, let's have a look. Fly app deployment. You're a product, aren't you? Yep. Okay, so screw you. Is but implementation of Kent C. Dodds. Nice. Yeah. Blog. Oh, he's gone all out with his website. Good on him. How I bought them on so 2021. I'm gonna have to read this on my own time. I think probably after the stream. Speed metal stack. Kent C. Dodds. Kent C. Yeah. So it still wants to deploy to Fly.io, but we're not going to do that. SQLite's the database. Yeah, maybe we can persist to Postgres. We can use Superbase. That'd be cool. No, it's using Fly4, so that's just for deployment and scaling. Nice. API mocks, like what's it doing? We need, like what we really need here is, oh, this is cool, this is helpful. Let me just quickly read this. Moly moly. Regular action, refresh content, content change, no exit. If it's yes, ODK MX bundler, update SQLite cache. Oh, this uses a cache, neat. Update content, Octa kit, MDX bundler, update, okay. Fly region. Okay, so we don't care about that. Deploy, only content change, yes, exit. Okay, so this must be for the server itself. Context. But like, where's the demo? One is getting tired. I think it might be time to just pack it in for the night. I'm gonna. I really don't like. Oh, but it's okay. So this is Dino, good. Markdown, good. Deployable to GitLab, awesome. Deployable to Dino, awesome. Wait, is that even free though? Dino. Deploy. Yeah, I'm glad they updated that post. Pricing. Okay, free Dino. This could be okay. What is there a possibility of like? Yeah. So eventually they may make it available. That's fine.
Make it 100%.
That's really fast and on Cloudflare. I feel like Cloudflare Pages is the next step. What is it built with Dino? Cloudflare. Redux. Yeah, what are workers built on? Alright, well. Can I deploy Remix? Like, does it make sense to use Remix and so there's a whole guide for it? Nice. No? This is confusing. Like good on whoever made that website, but all right. Remix. key values. Durable objects are 2. Deploying to Cloudflare pages. The future. Do they have workers? Okay, so Remix works with Cloudflare workers. Sick. So I guess that means that if I use Remix, I'm good. This, I don't think it was using Remix. Nope. This speed metal stack. Is using Fly.io, which is all over the world, which is fine, but like probably gonna use Superbase vote, you know. Okay, Prisma, yeah. I don't think this is gonna work out either. Not gonna lie. That's not gonna work out. That's cool, not needed. Alright, so Remix blog template, which we've already searched up before. React Remix theme template. Oh crap, template. I think I just might have to like build my own. Alright. I think I'm convinced. Let's do set up personal blog. We did that. And now that we've done that, we really need to say, alright, create new repo in GitLab. Set up Remix. React Remix. Install Chakra UI. Once we've done that, I think we're gonna do some reading about Remix. And then once we've done that, look at deployment with Cloudflare pages. Yeah, I think that's probably a good start for now. Wonder if let's add an automation in here. I think let's go space settings, more settings, automations, add automation. When task created, just gonna take that off for a second. Status, no. Current date is, no, I want to know about its parent here. Alright, when a task. Oh, hello. parent. Sub. Come on, ClickUp, you're better than this. Create automation. When? Yeah, so I can't do any conditionals on that. Task linked. No. Yeah, no, I can't even set up an automation for it. Oh, is what it is. That's fine. Let's just quickly grab these fellas and we'll add them to a tag of internal network. You can go away. I don't need feature request. Cool. I'm happy with that. Alrighty, so next time we've got to set up the personal blog. And we're doing this because I want to do text versions of some of the stuff that I'm doing as well when I don't necessarily want to stream. So I want to mix the content up with a bit of blogging, a bit of not. Maybe some videos will be also blogs at the same time, and they could be embedded in the same website. That would be good. Yeah, we might look at doing a better Supabase self-hosted image set. I have a feeling I'm just going to not do it. But we'll see. We'll see. It'll be a lot of effort. So, alright. So on top of that, we just want to take a look at can't see DODs. We want to read this one. And that's it for tonight. Thanks if you're watching this in the future. Thank you to anyone who lurked during the stream. I hope you have a fantastic evening and that life treats you well. So without further ado, I'll be seeing you.